Hello, welcome guys, welcome everyone. Wow. More than 50 guys on board already. We're getting started. We're ready to fly on this happy Friday time. Great to see you everyone. Welcome guys. Welcome in our community. How are you doing? How do you enjoy your Friday times? And what's happening around the markets? I think we've got news in 5 minutes, right? Great to see you guys. Make sure to like the video. Welcome chat, good morning chat, good evening. Let's take this one to the next level, guys. Come on. Pretty happy to get started and be on board. 75 grand for the giveaways. Looks like we got CPI. We got CPI in 5 minutes. Careful with the sizing, trading, and all that stuff coming through. That's going to be a big volatility moment. Let's do it, guys. $75 grand. What a beautiful number. Is this gonna take us into the all-time high? I mean, today, the whole day, we just pumped, guys. Today, the whole day, we just pumped. Welcome, guys. Great to see you. Great to see everyone. We're touching an interesting level here. I'm putting together some meaningful levels out there that we need to be aware. Our opening is sitting on 283, guys. We WAP 344, so there is so much room for volatility. CPI report coming up. Let's see, let's find it out. Thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for joining. Wish you a really important day in accumulating huge numbers out there. Cheers everyone. Ticktick Trader, we're working towards the live transitioning. We made 30 grand and we're moving towards live transitioning. So, we put together a lot of the things related to the documentation. Core CPI 0.3%. And the month-to-month base is a little bit higher and 0.4%. Yeah, if we look into FedWatch tool right now, I think that's an interesting approach. FedWatch tool tells us we're still heavily inclined for a rate cut, 96%, in about 5 days. 5 days and 5 hours for the next FOMC meeting. We're not trading right now. We gotta wait a little bit, guys, for the news to come out. Have that volatility, maybe we could snipe something through that. Ticktick Trader, we cannot trade this. We're waiting for live transitioning. Good morning, guys. Great to see you. Great to see everyone. What a beautiful community. Make sure to join our Discord. Join our Discord, guys. We're right there. Especially if you want to be part of the giveaway. Like and subscribe. Look at this one. Pretty choppy, right? Not an easy moment to trade. You would say from this levels, market wants to grab liquidity below, but it didn't. It didn't. 1 minute to go. Not 3 giveaways. Let me just edit that. 2 giveaways, 75k. It's going to be a massive liquidity game. Careful, guys, with the sizing. You want to drastically reduce your sizing out there. Drastically. Probably 70 to 80% should be down. 20 seconds. 70-80% of your sizing, not the price section, of your sizing should be decreased. Good morning from New York. I got to the payout and I've requested a payout. I gotta verify if it has been paid. Oh, look at that. Oh, what's happening out here? Oh my god. Up to the 500s. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Oh. Oh my gosh. Look at this, guys. That's through the roof. Oh my god. What's happening out there? Lower than expected. Look at that. The core CPI lower than expected, and the CPI as well is lower than expected. CPI year to year as well is lower than expected. Pretty much everything is lower than expected, so the market is extremely enjoying that. Oh, look at this one, guys. Oh my god. Holy shit. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Exactly. Wow. Imagine if this would have been bearish. Imagine if this would have been bearish. We would be trading 700 points below. 700 points below if this would have been bearish. Let me see the initial reaction pretty much on gold, which is pumping as well. The US dollar is gonna die. US dollar is gonna die in the upcoming months. And then I'd like to see what's happening on the BTC side, which is obviously enjoying this one with just about $1,000 reaction, not much on board. But of course, a lot more can be delivered in the upcoming weeks and months. Nasdaq, well, what have you done with us, guys? How are we supposed to trade this? How are we supposed to trade this? Oh my god. All the way to the 500s. We just wicked into 344 and then pumped into 522. Close to 200 points, guys, in matter of 2 minutes. Ethereum is crossing $4,000, is moving strongly. Altcoins, Solana as well is moving strongly. Altcoins will certainly benefit from this. But I'd like to see how can I monetize this. Oh my god.
Order
Testing
filled.
out one little contract short here. One little contract, guys. And I'm out.
Order filled.
$217. That's the way to know the price action. How does it work? 217 bucks from a short. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Our target is $500 on this Ignite accounts. Beautiful, guys. Oh, look at this price action. And what about a complete reversal in the upcoming hours? That's going to be pretty painful for the traders, for the scalpers, day traders. Hey. Oh my god. What a great news. Nvidia trading 184.
Order filled.
Adding a little long here. Could gap above 510 once again. Let's see if we get that. Above 510. I'm
Order
cutting this
filled.
one away. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. We had some great times during the news, enjoying that insane candlestick.
Order filled.
Testing out 2 contracts long. For a little target to the upside.
Order
3
filled.
contracts. If we feel reacting at this level, which is what I'm expecting, then obviously I'm gonna go break even. Come on. Go higher so I can go break even. I'm out,
Order
guys, for the
filled.
moment. 266 profit. 266 profits from 170 loss. We made more than 400 bucks on that. We need 250 more. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Russell is pumping as well for sure. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Look at that. We're so close to the all-time high with Russell that you can expect next week. And then a continuation, guys. Let's look at the Russell 2000 weekly candles is what I care. If we get a such closing, which is happening in 8 hours, you're gonna receive a tremendous energy into that. With the rate cuts coming up next week, would love to see a such breakout of the all-time high. A such season for Russell 2000, which will be translated into a bull market for the altcoins in the crypto space. And finally, we can sell and get the hell out of the altcoins, because it's a nightmare. Right? Deal only with the Bitcoin and Ethereum and get the hell out of everything else. Sick and tired about what's happening there. 5 minute is not tradable. 1 minute is still tradable. Yeah, you can get the alt season with that weekly closing. You can get that, but keep in mind, we need numerous green strong weekly closing on top of each other in a chain effect, nicely connected. And we can get that, of course. With US dollar dying like this, you can get that. If we look into the 3 days candlesticks for the US dollar, this is an important rejection that comes here. Breaking below 96 would be tremendous for us. Might be also a lower high here in the structure for the US dollar. And we might put some more pressure against a flat bottom on a triangle, right? So this would be a descending triangle at the end of the day, with the price action getting into the triangle from the upside. Nicely descending triangle. Breaking below is normally the continuation out of this, and that would be really bullish for us. Good morning, welcome guys. Yeah.
Order filled.
2 contracts short. I don't think this is gonna hold here. And I don't need huge profits, right?
Order filled.
We touched the break even. That's madness. We were so close to the profit. Let me just
Order
get back
filled.
into this one. I think this is going lower, guys. Let's find it out. Are we capable of creating a such double bottom there? That would be surprising for me.
Order filled.
I think there's going to be another red candle coming after this. One more in a row. But let's see, guys. It's a pretty good reaction from the bulls, honestly. Look at that. What a protection there. But let's not forget the possibilities for the bears to reject this. Beautiful, beautiful rejection. Come on. Come on. What on earth is happening here, guys? What on earth is going on there?
Order filled.
Beautiful. Has been touched. Celebration time. We've made our $500 on this heavy market by shorting. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. We've got 2 giveaways scheduled for today. And some fireworks show. That's a beautiful one. You see, there is not much behind Bitcoin's reaction for the moment. But the news we got today should give us a bullish weekend for the crypto space, where they could actually collect a double-digit weekend. It will fall. Thank you, guys. So basically, for those of you that are interested, we are trading on tap on futures, which is what we've traded earlier. 55% is my code, higher than what the platform gives you, which is 50%. I can give you 55 on that one. We're also trading Ticktick Trader, but now we're waiting to be moved on live. We actually got to the live stage. Live transitioning is what we're waiting for. Final documentations. Today I also run some nice chat with their risk manager and all that stuff. And then of course today as well we're gonna keep trading on Savius. I have to verify my yesterday's payout if it has been paid. I gotta verify that. And the Discord community. On Savius we have 60% off till, I guess till 27th. On 27th, the 60% discount for Savius expires. So discount is going to be less from there. Let's connect the other 4 Ignite accounts. 73, 77.
Order filled.
Sing out a little long here. Could give us that nice push if we successfully engulf and we protect here. Should have checked on the Fibonacci. What do we have? We pushed all the way into the daily VWAP with the news coming out, and then we got into the golden pocket. So expecting a form of reaction. My intuition was pretty on point. Let's see if we get that reaction here, guys. We gotta do some green candlesticks. Well, this one that we are having right now should be green.
Order filled.
Got 2 more contracts with the impulse that I'm expecting right now. Few points needed here. Which certainly makes sense for the market to keep up the continuation on that. We've got the reasons to follow through. And eventually you would like to get back into the wick on the 500s. That is important to attack. Come on.
Order filled.
Target has been touched, guys. 500 bucks over here as well. This was a very easy trade. Golden pocket there. Continuation. Told you about a green candlestick. This is something that we can smell. And we can celebrate. 6 accounts reaching the target today. Back-to-back profits. 500 bucks. That's the maximum we can do because of the consistency and stability score and whatnot. Keep in mind and get your resources ready. Tap 1 Futures is going to launch next week. Ignite version number 2 accounts, new accounts, totaled differently. They're not going to be on equity stability score anymore. That's going to be eliminated. It's going to be different. It's the cheapest instant funding account. Right now it's not existent. They're tweaking something and coming back with it by the beginning of next week. I'm going to make a video, announce you, but at the same time during the weekend, specifically on Sunday, I will create a I'll publish a video new partners, new collaborations. We have everything set and I'm just waiting for Sunday. Sunday it's going to be published on my YouTube channel. You'd like to see that. Exactly. They're going to be with consistency. Consistency is much better. Equity stability score is definitely something we do not enjoy. And I'm not suggesting. Right? All the 6 are the first accounts that I bought. I haven't lost them. Right? We've been just trading these accounts since they launched. Let me share with your performance. This week has been back-to-back profits. So basically, I got the 6 Ignite accounts at the time they've been launched. Haven't lost any of those. But didn't qualify to the payout. Look at that. We're going to September right now. So we traded since 11th of September. Didn't qualify to the payouts because we cannot cross that 500 bucks. Ethereum about to fully retrace. Russell's, the stock market is holding much better. Gold is as well. Cryptos are extremely weak, guys. Extremely weak. It's a shame. No, Apex, no. It's a prop firm that will have instant funding and challenges, great offers, but certainly no. A huge no. A huge one with Apex. No. Not even if it would be the last company existing in the prop firm space. Not even like that you would see me dealing with them. No. That's a huge no. My Sim Pro accounts have not been fixed. Support is working on it. It takes time. Might be. We've been verifying them for a very long period of time. They are legit from multiple standpoints. I talked with their CEO, and we just put all the things together. You guys will hear about them on Sunday. You guys will see them on Monday trading on the live stream. We're going to trade them daily on the live stream and have a lot of the giveaways as well. We are getting ready for a nice launch. We're going to do things as we have to do them. Now I'm opening Quant Tower. I'd like to Legends. Talked with their CEO as well. But for the moment, we're having it on pause. We're not promoting it. We're not pushing Legends. We're not trading on Legends. We're not sharing things around Legends for the moment. But it's a functional prop firm, right? So we're having them on the sideline. And at some point, we're going to introduce them for sure. Currently, we've got other better solutions for our community. Way more value. So, are you guys ready for Quant Tower Savius accounts? 300k, we're ready to trade. The price section is not looking bad, honestly. We're going for the first long here, 5 minis. Certainly the price section is not looking bad for me. Let's go, guys. We gotta do $3,000. Adding a little more. Two more contracts, sitting on 9 minis. Yeah, new Ignite accounts will be interesting. So next week, we're gonna have to talk a lot of the things, guys. Oh. What on earth is happening here? I just accepted a partial loss. 1,500. Not an issue. We have a lot of the buffer. But I certainly don't like this. I'm fully out here, guys. I accepted 2,700 loss. And we're gonna try to recover from here. I certainly don't like this. Certainly do not appreciate that long red candle we had earlier. I think we might test some levels below 444. Wow. Opening a little short here on this bounce. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Market makers are watching. We had an interesting situation earlier where we had a good opportunity for a follow-up. It has not been materialized. They pushed this one down. I'm expecting basically to go lower. We're sitting on 7 minis. I'm expecting this one to go lower. At least 450s. Take that low out, get some liquidity from there. Bunch of people longing this level. Have to be tight on my stop loss. I'm ready for the next leg down. Bring the break even there. I don't want to lose. You see, if we accepted a loss earlier, now we have a chance of recovering. This candle should be red. This candle should be red. Should give us a continuation, guys. Come on. Flush through that whole level. I just took profit a little bit earlier. We made like how much? $500, $400 profit. Look at that. They would have touched my break even. Look at this, guys. They would have touched my break even, guys. It's just mad, right? They went with a whole wick into the previous body of the candlestick and closed out the wick at the end of the body. And now they would have... Oh my god, look at that. We should have touched the target there. We're currently trading the Savius accounts. Let me just change the banner. They're still having my 60% offer. That's the link, guys, for the new Savius accounts. For a 150k account, $256. maximum 5 accounts, the payout is 10 times bigger than what you're paying, because you're getting 2,700. Yesterday we requested a payout. I think that should be fine by late today or you know, tomorrow, Saturday. So by Monday we're gonna be fine. Let me share with you guys a chart here. We're still reacting on the golden pocket of this whole move. Whatever has been priced below, it was pretty much protected. So we got a few 5-minute candlesticks that are showing rejections. And think about no movements on 5-minute closing above 479, 478. It would be pretty interesting. Back to VWAP. I think it's just on your side. Seeing out a little long here. We could get a couple of points, guys. All the way up to 70, 71. I mean, if we're not capable here to confirm a form of bullishness, we're gonna aggressively die. Nine minis long. We need the upcoming candle to be green and this one to close nicely green right now. Beautiful. Let's go. Give me a nice move above 66 so I can be break even, risk free. 66 is a good point to be risk free. Even this might be a good candle to DC if you're trusting, and if you're underexposed, it might worth it here. It's at the potential reversal level, breakout, continuation level into, right? But we just need that little impulse into 466. Come on, guys. We're too tight here. I cannot play with my stop loss like that. Loud and clear. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Time to put the break even. From the way the price action looks, time to put the break even. Beautiful. Come on. Moving my stop loss a bit higher. Thinking about closing partially. Let's see how does the new candle opens. I sold 2 contracts. If this turns red, I'm selling 4 more. And I'm leaving the rest of the thing active, guys. 3 minis, we're trading that actively. We're down 1,640, so we pretty much recovered more than $1,000 from the highest loss we were today, just by cutting off early. Good job, buddy. Good job. Selling 2 more contracts here. Putting the stop loss over there and bidding much higher with our last one existent. $1,283. I'm fully out right here. 1,100. I'm gonna celebrate that, guys. We've made a lot here. We've made a lot. We've made pretty good money there. Your portion might be too big, right? You might have to decrease that portion. You might have to decrease that size. But the quality is high, that's why you have this effect. Because of the quality. The stop loss is not changing its size automatically here on Quantower for some reason. It remains with the old sizing. So I have to delete that stop loss and re-put another one. It takes a second, but you gotta be careful, right? It's already in my blob, not an issue. But it's a problem for those that, you know, are starting off and they're missing out. Unfortunately, Quantower is not adjusting automatically like Project X. Opening is going to be pretty heavy, guys. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord, and enjoy your time. We've made profits back and forth. Had a loss of 2,700, but we actually fought back, recovered partially, and now continuing to recover. We're still 1,100 down. Yep. Now I can see your users, guys. This is how YouTube managed to do it. Your comments are coming through with your users, no longer with your names. Good afternoon, welcome, guys. It has pumped so far, and it should pump including through the weekend, right? So it's a bullish day. We've got Russell's pumping too, close to being all-time high. Next week, probably Russell's is going to fly all-time high. Think about, we're having the FOMC rate cuts. Bullish weekend for the BTC as a continuation of today's events. Inflation is lower than expected, guys, and that's an amazing sign out there. So they can stop shitting their pants right now and talking about how our inflation hits back in a tremendous way. Stats are right there, posing the opposite. Less than expected is a valuable thing for the markets. Hence the reaction we've got. No one says life is cheap or is cheaper or the purchasing power has increased. Certainly not. It has decreased. And that means the quality of life decreased for the majority of people. That is true, and that's a fact. But these guys are portraying inflation much higher most of the time on the expectation side than it comes out, making it sound in a pretty apocalyptic way. Having people shorting the markets, right? Having people dumping the markets. People got trapped in the past couple of months on these theories and they shorted. So I know people that shorted as swing trading. Gold shorted Nasdaq, S&P, right? They shorted this. Yeah. Yeah. He was trading the 50k account from giveaway. 5 micros, he traded more than 5 micros. It's very important not to cross this limit. Very, very important. Putting in so much time and trading, certainly not worth crossing the limits. And it's certainly worth the time asking the questions and getting informed about the limits, because then simply all the time you put in is going to be worthless if you don't fully get informed at the right level and respect that. We've got 17 minutes to go, guys. I'm shorting this. Four minutes short, come on. All the way back to 60s. Stop loss on my entry. I've been leaving this open, guys. We're sitting on break even. Take profit on 61. Give me that nice go. Yeah, it's publicly mentioned on the official website. Setting a built-in limit would protect traders. I'm out here. We made $50. Looks like it was incapable of pulling back. I don't know how much are they gonna dump this. Depends on the expectancies. Make sure to join our Discord, guys. Like the video, get subscribed, join our Discord. Turn on the notification bell. Yeah, straight to funded plus are a little bit different, guys. We got some news in 30 minutes from now. Manufacturing PMI and services PMI. However, today the biggest things were around inflation. Biggest out of the biggest. Still 99% for a rate cut. Yeah, straight to funded has tremendous advantages. By the way, for those of you that would like to see, here's the link. Coupon code is always scramble for maximum discount, best offer existent. No consistency is tremendous when it comes down to trading. Is way closer of what you're doing on a personal account. Something that I'm not really enjoying around the prop firms is the gap in the way you should trade your prop firm's account to make money and your personal accounts, because it's different. Prop firms and their limitations with consistency create an environment that is certainly not sustainable for personal accounts. They keep telling you when it comes down to consistencies that it's in your favor. It's not. Consistency is not set to protect you. Consistency is set to make your trading life more difficult. Way more difficult than it would be on a personal account. Why? Because consistency is addressing your winners, not your losses. Right? So consistency rate is cutting your winners. The number one rule when it comes down to your winners on a personal account is to let your winners run as much as possible. And that's where the money is actually made, in the difference on how you let your winners run, how you squeeze money out of a winner. That's what you remain at the end of the quarter. That's what you remain at the end of the year, guys. As a difference between someone that is a great trader or someone that's an amazing trader. It's how they control their winners. So prop firms will tell you that, hey, we want you to learn risk management. Sure, but the risk management should not address the winners. The risk management should address the losses. Consistency cares about your highest day not to cross a certain percent. And this is forcing you to constantly have profits, which is possible. You guys see we're making money. We've made money in the past months nicely, more than 70 grand in payouts from 2 firms only, where we don't have access to 20 accounts and 10 accounts, and we don't get 40 grand in a payout. We've got 6, 8, 3, 9, you know, this kind of values. So it's possible, of course, but you need a much better success ratio and a much better entry ratio in terms of good entries. So it requires you to be constantly profitable, while on a personal account could be different. Now, the complaint around straight to funded plus payouts is invalid, I would say. When you watch the entire picture, and not watching the entire picture is a mistake. You have to watch the entire picture of the product, not just a partial approach and research, guys. So you have to consider that watching the entire picture is a must. Otherwise, it's just a preference and a personal opinion type of analysis, not something objective. If you look at the whole picture, you see that the straight to funded plus is focusing for the live trading stage, something that we have reached. That's the main focus, and that's the point. You take the money and you do whatever you want, you make money with it, and so on. So yeah, they teach you how to cut your winners. Exactly, that's the best way to name it, which is not good, guys. It's not good. If you do that on a personal account, you're not making money. You're not making money on the long run if you do that on a personal account. If you're cutting your winners, you're not making money. 9 minutes to go. Let me share with you an account here. And you guys know about my Ignite accounts. You know perfectly what's happening. I'm in a position here to constantly cut my winners, right? Look at us. I'm cutting my winners at $500. Everything is around the $500 mark because I cannot cross this. So in all that profitable days, how many of these profitable days, which are only what you're seeing right now is just for October, how many of these profitable days would have generated us way more? And then we go back to September, same account. How many of these profitable days would have generated us way more? What's the point of cutting profits? Is that helping me? Is that helping? Who's that helping? It's helping the company because it requires me tomorrow to make another good trade. Money is just money, guys. It doesn't matter you made it in a single trade or you made it in 200 days. It doesn't matter. If you are capable of making it in a single trade, it's up to you and it's down to you and it's your applause, right? Because at the time you were trading that, you have assumed bigger, higher risks. So obviously the reward is higher. Getting punished because you're assuming a higher reward and you're winning is not in your interest, but that's how prop firms work, which do not mean we cannot make money with prop firms. We do make money because we have adjusted, we have adapted our strategies to make money from prop firms. But this is not how we should trade the personal accounts. Yeah. Think about. With prop firms, we purposely generate losses. Six minutes to go, guys. Make sure to like the video. All the links can be found. Coupon code is Scramble right there. You can utilize that and have a great moment. We talked about this price action earlier. Have a look into that, guys. We still have more 300k accounts that I like to trade, and also this one. I want to make some profits on it. So just stay with us, guys. We do have giveaways and such accounts to be shared. We crossed that blue line, 478. We managed to grab the liquidity, so now it's risky. We got the 5-minute algo opening right here. It's risky. You can do these things, guys. You can do these things. Imagine. Imagine that you can do these things. Exactly. That's where prop firms are coming in pretty handy. That you can lose less. That's your advantage on prop firms. You can lose less. Three minutes to go. I'm waiting, and I'm gonna trade the opening. Because I love this. Yeah. That's the risk with personal resources. You can get very emotional about a whole thing and risk the entire account, or risk values that would actually need months to recover. Think about that process, guys. It's really painful, which is why the existence of the prop firm world is a great gift for the majority of traders that would like to become traders. Let's put it that way. It's a great gift. With all the downsides, difficulties, imperfections, we'll still have the ability to make money in a decent environment. Think about how this trading would exist without this environment. 2 minutes to go. No, try my code. You can try my code. It should be up to the 27th. 60% off. That's what I've been told. One minute to go, guys. Careful. Careful with the numbers. Careful with the things we've got at here. 1 minute to go. That's gonna be pretty hot. Might be bleeding into the opening here. Little push, little dump. You might be hearing my little baby in the background. They came into the office in the next room. At Ticktick Trader, you got a bigger discount at Ticktick Trader, but not Savius. Savius is the same with crypto or not. 5 seconds to go. I'm going to ring the bell right now. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. Careful with the numbers out there. Look at that. Initial movement is down, but I think this is going to be nicely bought up. And then the market might continuously drop. Let's see. Looks like we're not resisting, guys. We're dropping. We're not resisting. We're dropping. I haven't opened anything. $60% off. Yeah. I requested a payout yesterday from Savius, so I'm waiting. It's the first payout, so I had to connect my details on that. Oh. I'm trying a little short here, guys. If this is going for a continuation, I'm gonna nicely enjoy that. Otherwise, I'll just cut it off, right? Let's see. I'm out. Beautiful. We made $400 there. $400 profit there. We're down 758. We were down 2,700 on this account. So we recovered $2,000. Let's just wait a little more. Adding 2 contracts to this, 4 contracts, sitting on a 4 contracts long. I think we could push this one slightly above 470s. Putting the break even there, guys. I gotta be tight, you know. If we're bullish, we gotta push this hard from here. Without any other retracement discussions. Out. Beautiful. We're net profit $100, guys. We're gonna celebrate that. We're gonna celebrate that because we brought this one from a 2,700 loss, like I said. Hey, that was lovely. So we fully recovered and we're having $100. Pretty happy about that. Still pumping, guys. This is not an easy long, right? To be part of. I mean, look at the V-shaped recovery we have here. And I would say it was pretty risky without that pump on pre-opening. We haven't got any significant retracement. The risk was there. And then a bunch of the people shorted the markets below 450s. If this one comes back into 460s, 470s, that's a blind long. But I don't know if it comes back there. We just got back into the 500 straight away. Thank you guys, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. You gotta do these things to participate in the giveaway. And utilize the coupon code SCRAMBO for the maximum discussion. Keep an eye on our channel. On Sunday, we're gonna post about a new partnership collaboration on a great prop firm on Sunday, and then we're gonna start trading them from Monday. You wanna keep an eye on our channel. Make sure you have our notifications turned on. And we're gonna have the time changing in Europe by Sunday, right? So time changes in Europe on Sunday. Till it changes in the US, we're gonna start our streaming for the Europeans and for other fellas out there with an hour earlier, right? Because we're gonna follow the New York openings. New York opening will happen with an hour earlier, so we'll start our stream with an hour earlier. Look at that, we're breaking above, guys. This is getting interesting. We're retouching the wick we were trading earlier. And I'm testing a little short here. I'm out. We made only $100, but that's fine for the moment. I don't know how your time zone is going to advance. But for probably 1 week till the US is adjusting with the European time zone change, it's going to be a little bit different. Look at that, guys. We just broke above the previous wick we made. You know, if you're watching right now the crypto market, it completely... Let me share with you the Bitcoin chart to see the shame behind Bitcoin, which is absolutely terrible. So it got back to the CPI news. Totally reversed the whole thing. Totally reversed. Market pumped and totally reversed. It's actually going below. Meanwhile, you have Nasdaq pumping and still holding above. S&P nicely opening with a pretty huge gap there. Total different than what crypto is doing. It's just that, right? Gold as well. Trading in the highs. Russell's as well. Enjoying its time. We got a terrible time on the cryptos. Testing out 4 minutes short here. Stop loss on break even. I'm out. $472. Yes. Pump and dump, but you would agree with a meme coin, right? You would say, well, a meme coin. But when you say that BTC is following Nasdaq, and Nasdaq is behaving totally different, you clearly see it here. Bitcoin is not following Nasdaq, unless Nasdaq is dropping. If Nasdaq is dropping, it's crashing. Bitcoin is the first one leading the whole crash. Right, so we had so many cases where the crypto market failed to follow the bullishness behind the stocks and nicely converted following the crashes of the stocks or the markdowns. We're gonna have some news in 5 minutes. Quantower is lagging right now. I'm shorting this. Stop loss on my entry. Stop loss on break even, we're fine. Adding 2 more contracts to this. And 2 more contracts on this. Let's get around 500 so I can go break even. We're trading 6 minutes short, guys. Give me the 500 so I can do that break even risk-free. Especially we got some news coming up soon. Where is the red candle? We've been DCing onto that. Not believing in this move. Let's see. Let's see what's happening and what's going on. 10 minutes short, guys. We got news in 3 minutes. 2 minutes. $12 minutes short, guys. At the time it starts crashing, we're gonna be fine with this. At the time it starts cliffing, right? We're 12 minutes short. Stop loss on break even. You can do whatever you want. But we touched the target. I told you that's a short situation. $3,000 there, guys. Fully confirmed. Look at that. 3,000. Guess what? We were down $2,700 on this one. And we fought back. Boom, 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 boom. Celebration time. We were down on this account $2,700 from the first trade. And we nicely started slowly accumulating. So now we put this one on the target, which is $3,000. That's the target, guys. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Let's see what's happening here. We have the manufacturing PMI, 20 seconds to go. Red folder news. Services PMI, manufacturing PMI. Look at the cryptos, pump and dump. Totally incapable. Wow, Ethereum as well. What a big failure. They say this kind of things are following the stock market. No, they're not following stocks. They're only following stocks when the whole thing is crashing. When it's dumping, that's the time they're following. Let's look into the numbers here. We're also made money on the tap on futures. It's hard for the market to continue, guys, higher. It's hard. If today we survive above 400s, be thankful. It's hard for the markets to go into 800, 900s today on a Friday. You don't do this. So if we survive above 400s today, once again, be thankful. And make sure to join our Discord. That's where the big deal happens. Thank you, Quantum. Appreciate it. No fireworks, sorry guys. But I'd like to trade this account. I'm gonna short 5 minutes here. This is a another 300k account. Let's see if we can do something. I'm gonna get aggressive on this one. We gotta do the giveaways, guys. Let's see if we are gonna reject here or this is capable for an upside continuation. And after I'm finishing with this account, I'm gonna do the giveaways. 5 minutes short, guys. Think about. 1 minute after red folder news came out. 15 minutes into the opening. Adding 2 more contracts to this. No, I'm trading the wrong account. Actually, I'm trading the one where we made profit today. Wow. I didn't switch, guys. We're at 3,071. What a silly situation, look at that. We would have been on great profits on another account. So I was looking on the account info on a different account, but the Quantower didn't change. I didn't change in Quantower, just under the account info, right? So you have seen on the account info, PNL is not moving. That's where I've seen PNL is not moving, and I had an open position. Look at that, guys. We would have touched that 3 grand. Oh my god. That's unheard of. That's unheard of. We would have touched that money with this short. Crypto is totally dead, guys. Totally. Now the stocks are coming down. Crypto is dying as well. I'm shorting this one on 5 minutes. 10 minutes short. Look at that, guys. Extremely aggressive. Stop loss on break even. We actually touched the stop loss on break even. We made 60 bucks with that one. Yep. Let's go, guys. Come on. Let's go. Let's see what's happening here, guys. We're back in the golden pocket. We're pretty much close to that. Welcome, guys. Great to see you. Make sure to like the video, everyone. Come on. Like the video and get ready. A giveaway starts soon. Make sure to click the live button so you're caught up on the stream. We got a little reaction from the golden pocket. This level delivered once again around the 60s. Let's see if we can build on top of this. Especially the next candle to be green. It's not looking too promising, guys. I'm out here. $1,800. Ho, that buyback came in pretty quickly. Expected. No wick below. No wick below the body. But 1,833 came in pretty quickly. We're still going for the 3,000 target here. I lost my trust in that wick. Thought we're gonna get at the opening of this 1 minute a nice buddy to the upside first. It's good money here. No, we're gonna stop here, guys. We're gonna stop there. That's good money there as well. We're not gonna force it. We're not gonna force it. And it's time to move on to the part of the stream that we all enjoy. Do not write. Wait, wait, wait. Do not write. Wait, wait, wait. Time to move on, guys, to the part of the stream that you guys enjoy. How to participate. Like the video, of course. Be subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. We're streaming from Monday to Friday. 8 AM EST time. Keep in mind, we got the We got the hour changing on Sunday. So on Monday, you want to check my YouTube channel. We're going to schedule basically the Monday's live stream during the weekend so you can see that. But at the same time, let me tell you something, guys. On Sunday, I'm going to post a new review video with a new collaboration, a prop firm that we haven't talked about so far. You want to watch that one on Friday as well. The first giveaway today will be Top 1 Futures, $25,000. End of the day drawdown, instant funding. This is the first giveaway. Wait. Everyone make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. Why are we 165, 170, and we have 125 likes? There's 40 likes that are missing. Let's go, guys. Start. Let me know your numbers. Good luck, everyone. Let's go. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. This is the first giveaway, 25K, end of the day drawdown, Top 1 Futures. And the stop is right there, no more guesses. It's over. No more. That was it, guys. No more guesses, it's over. We're gonna shuffle this a few times. And one more time. Good. Let's go. Good luck, everyone. We got that double 5 coming up. If we don't stop there, it's going to be the next one, number 1. Yeah, that's going to be the number 1, guys. I can tell you. I can confirm you. Congratulations, guys. Pedal didn't function for the number 5. Sorry, guys, but that's going to be the number 1, which is still fine, right? For some of you, of course. There you go. Congratulations. Hey. We got you with the number 1. 15 winners. Oh my god, look at that. 15 winners. So we got you with your usernames right now on YouTube. This is how it shows up in chat. 15 winners. 1 minute competition time. This is the lowest amount and the lowest participation rate, guys. Highest chances. No one cares about the number 1. Think about 160 viewers on live plus some bots. No one cares about the number 1. $15 seconds to go. Who's gonna speed up? Mike's Gold. There you go. You're gonna be the winner, Mike's Gold. Congratulations. We got you, buddy. Mike's Gold, the winner. That's a great one. 25,000. Instant funding. End of the day drawdown. Beautiful. Congratulations, buddy. Make sure to like the video, guys. Come on, let's get to the second round where we do Ticktick Trader. For those of you that have country restrictions, do not participate with Ticktick Trader. 50k straight to funded plus, we know that stuff. It's a beautiful account, no consistency. Big deal as well. Come on, like the video, be subscribed, join our Discord. You can start right now. Let me know your numbers. Come on, guys. Let's go. Keep going. Push that numbers. Push those numbers. Nicely trading about 500s on Nasdaq. Enjoyable. Enjoyable. And we stop right there, no more guesses, that's it. Over. Game over. We're gonna shuffle this only once. And now, spin the wheel, guys. Spin the wheel. That's pretty exciting. 50k straight to funded plus Ticktick Trader. That's a lovely account. Lovely account right there. Who's gonna be? We have that blue number 4, guys. What do you think about that blue number 4? Or it might be the number 2 right here. Oh, that's gonna be pretty close. But I think that's gonna be the number 4. Congratulations for the winners on number 4, I can tell you. Number 4 for the winners. Look at that, guys. Number 4 for the winners. Good job. We only had 15 winners for the number 1. Crazy, right? And now with the number 4. Waiting for the list. Here we are with the Badger dropping us 30 winners. Look at that. Wow. 30 winners out there. Let me just quickly delete a little sign from the beginning. 30 winners out there. That's gonna be a like 3.3% chance of winning. It's not bad. Let's just adjust the list a little bit here. Got you set up for another minute. And shuffle. There we are. Good luck, everyone, and good luck, chat. This is the second giveaway. 2 out of 2 today. Continuing, obviously, on Monday. But like I said, keep in touch. Sunday, there's going to be a new video published on a new collaboration, guys. And from Monday, we're going to trade way more accounts. And hopefully, early next week, by Tuesday, Wednesday or so, our live account for Ticktick Trader is going to be fully onboarded and ready to go. Let's go. Mike's Gold is dominating once again, but he's gonna get stop loss out. Watch this one, guys. He's gonna get stop loss out. If I click on his duck, he's gonna be wiped out. Look at that. Glory be to King. Congratulations for the winner. Glory be to King. Congratulations out there. Hey. We're kidding, guys. We're kidding, guys. It's not working with that click on the duck. Can't really get you stopped out. Winners, reach out to me on Discord, direct message. Careful about bunch of scammers. Bunch of scammers on Discord, careful. I never direct message. You also direct message me. So, you will always do that. Beautiful week, guys. Pretty good. Way better than other odd situations. We had a great time on our Savius accounts this week. A decent time on the Tap 1 futures, performing nicely. You saw 4 out of 4. We didn't trade it on Monday on some. 4 out of 4 for the Tap 1 futures. We got to the payout on Savius. We requested a payout yesterday morning. I think it's going to be paid out today. I actually wanted to be paid in cryptos for that, so let's see if we can sort it out. That's where we are, guys. That's where we are in a nutshell, converting the entire times of our great community into a enjoyable weekend. Wish you the best times. For anything, reach out on Discord, and do not forget, Sunday is the time we're gonna post on my channel a new video of a prop firm collaboration, and a great time we're gonna work together. Starting by Monday, they're gonna be on my live stream. A prop firm you definitely do not want to miss, an environment that is having no payouts rejected so far. So it is incredible, guys. Have a lovely time, have a lovely weekend. Safe times out there for sure. Peace. Careful with the risk management, with the numbers. Thank you, guys. We talk to you soon.